Hello, my name's Alina and I have my friends with me. Let me introduce you to them.
My name is Saifullah.
My name is Abdullah.
My name is Alia.
How old are you?
I am 9.
I'm 11.
I'm 13.
I'm 9. What kind of trend is going on right now?
I would say Fortnite is a very big trend.
I would say video games.
What kind of video games?
Battle Royales.
TikTok.
TikTok as well. Okay, well, like, what do you do at home? Like, do you help your parents?
Normally at home, I would just play Fortnite and help my parents sometimes.
Like, what? What do you help them with? What do you help them with?
Chores.
What kind of chores?
Plates, I would say.
Cleaning plates.
I sleep and then I just play.
Okay.
Eat, sleep, watch video games.
I
and then watch YouTube. Watch YouTube and
I
video games.
go in my bed and get snacks and just watch YouTube videos. So, what's your favorite hobby?
My hobby is video games.
I enjoy playing football.
I enjoy watching YouTube.
And my favorite hobby is video games as well. What are you interested in?
I'm interested in the game called Fortnite, which is a battle royale game where there's 100 people and you need to be the last man standing to win.
I'm interested in the football team Chelsea FC, which are currently placed 5th in the Premier League.
I'm interested in a YouTuber called Sophia Nygaard, who is a very popular YouTuber with over 9 million fans.
And I'm interested in Fortnite, like, same thing as he said. Okay, so what sports do you like?
I like football.
I don't really like sports, but I guess football.
I like football.
I like gymnastics and basketball. Last year, what movie came out?
Bird Box.
Oh my god.
Creed 2.
Bumblebee, which is about a transforming robot from space.
And Bumblebee as well, because yeah, that's what she said.
Interesting.
Yeah. Well, like, what team do you support?
In football, my favourite team is Chelsea.
Like, when did they last win the game?
The last game was yesterday against Malmo, and they won 3-0.
Who scored them 3 goals?
Giroud, Hudson-Odoi and Ross Barkley.
My favourite team is Liverpool FC.
My favourite team is Chelsea.
I think Liverpool can smash Chelsea.
Man
At least they
City
actually got a
will
goal
win,
and they didn't
but
lose.
Man City will win by goal points.
Well, I have a fact. Liverpool is the only team that were first in Christmas and now are not first.
Yeah, that's true. That's
What do you have to say about that?
exactly.
Chelsea hasn't been number one for like 96 years.
What about
We
Arsenal?
won a few years ago with only losing.
That was years ago.
A few games we only lost.
A few games, bloody
Okay,
6-0.
do you have anything about-
6-0.
Any other team players do you support?
They were good.
My favourite international team will be Croatia.
And
My
you?
favourite international team would be Brazil
Why?
because they got good players
And you why?
France, because I just like the players in there.
and they won the last World Cup.
They won the last World Cup.
And you why?
Croatia because they have like Mandzukic, he's a very good striker, and like Rakitic, he's very good, but I don't know what he plays like in the middle or something.
Morata.
No, I said Rakitic.
So what is your favourite movie?
I would say Fast and Furious 8
Why?
because all them actors in there are like my favourite.
And you, Alia?
I would say Pixels because it contains like really revolutionary aspects that have happened within technology, such as Pac-Man. So like many people could relate to it, and it contains some of my favorite movie genres.
I say Creed 2 because I like the story behind the movie.
I'll say Bird Box because like it's just so interesting and it's like they have horror scenes and I love horror and I like the storyline of it.
What is the storyline?
People trapped in the woods and they can't
Exactly.
take off a blindfold.
Yeah, they can't take the blindfold off that and they just get stuck. Like
Stuck
you have
in the
no
middle
food,
of nowhere.
and that lady, yeah, and that lady is I can't say that word. Leave it.
Okay.
But the lady, yeah, she had a baby in her belly, and like she was so hungry, and the other people were hungry, so then they had to go in the car.
That's
but they,
really dark.
yeah, it was really dark. They had to put tape on the window so like
The creatures can't see.
yeah,
them.
and hit their blindfold off, and they'll start driving. And when they got to the shops, but like the shop here, inside it was just so messy, and but you can't take your blindfold off in the shop, but you like put the curtains down, put the curtains down. Okay.
Comedy, action, and horror.
Yeah.
Comedy and action. I mean,
Also-
comedy and horror.
I can't stand horror because it
I love
leaves
horror.
me with nightmares for so
I
long.
love horror.
No, my one
Even
Like
comedy
I watched the
action horror.
movie The Conjuring, and I was so scared to put my feet down on the floor because I
Even-
thought a ghost would grab it.
Even
It was so
even
scary.
if I love horror, yeah, and even like I get nightmares, I still love horror. Okay, so who can sing?
5,
6, 7, 8.
Do you roti? Do you rice? Do you roti? Do you rice? Roti shoti shaman shaman. Do you roti? Do you rice? Do you roti? Do you rice? Roti shoti shaman shaman. Do you know any other Muslim YouTubers?
No, not really.
Adam Saleh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Adam Saleh, yeah.
He's from Yemen. And
Yemen.
He lives in New York.
Yeah. That's why you guys
Family.
like New York.
Yeah, and he does vlogs.
Yeah.
Yeah, he does vlogs, daily
challenges, Yeah, and pranks.
Yeah, he does.
He
Do you
read
know
Jamal's
his
report
niece
card.
Rima? No, yeah,
Rima,
niece
yeah,
Rima.
yeah.
Yeah. When every time he says to her, "I'm gonna get married," she's like, "No, don't get married.
Yeah,
I'll come
she
live in your apartment."
Yeah, she doesn't like him being with anyone else. She likes the attention.
Exactly.
That's why it's funny because when he did the challenge where he ignored her for 24 hours, it was so funny because like she was only paying attention to his nephew Mohsin, and then Remo came and she was like, "Help me with my homework, with my ABCs." It was really funny.
Are we
I was
recording?
watching that today.
Yeah.
We're recording.
So what type
Yeah.
of videos do you watch on YouTube?
So I watch like wait.
I watch pranks a lot.
Yeah, pranks.
vlogs.
Yes.
Pranks,
Pranks,
challenge-
vlogs, daily vlogs, challenges.
Fortnite, obviously.
Okay, like what like
Why do you watch Fortnite?
Why do
Yeah.
you watch Fortnite?
Yeah, what
Because
do you watch
Fortnite is really
Entertaining.
one
It's
of the-
fun to
It's
like
fun
watch
to
people
like play
fail.
and watch. Play and watch.
Play it. I don't really like playing it because I get bored easily by this type of things. I'd rather watch.
I don't
it.
like.
But
I like
I'd rather
Fortnite, but
when-
every
when-
time when I like play Fortnite, I just die like when
I know
I
that's
play-
why it's annoying. If I got loads of kills, I would
Exactly.
be interested. But I die
I
every
placed
time, so I'm
23
annoyed.
like today in the morning, but
I can't.
I
make it.
mostly I get about 7 kills every game.
Wow, you're a
Oh,
proper
nice.
banger.
Check my KD now. It's very high.
Okay.
It's national. It's
What does
0.7.
KD mean?
what does KD mean actually?
Tell me.
What tier are you in?
What?
Your stats. Your stats.
What tier are you
Yeah.
in?
Statistics.
What
No.
tier are you in?
About 77.
I just want to say something. I want to know more about everybody. Can you tell
Yeah,
me?
so
Do you have siblings?
Any facts about you?
He is my brother, and I have a sister who is 16, I think,
Yeah.
and he is 13, I think.
What's your sister's name?
Tanya.
Basically, he's my annoying little brother. I got annoying sisters. So.
I have a sister and a brother. They both annoy me equally. It's so annoying. The one's 3, one's 15. Yeah, he plays Fortnite too much. And my sister, she watches Fireman Sam like a lot.
What about you?
I got 3 sisters and one brother, and my brother is 7, and my other sister is 15. My other sister is 17. My other sister is 19. And sometimes my brother's like he plays with me, but he's kind of annoying to me. But I love him.
What's the names?
Ali. I can't really say my sister's name, like, because it's kind of disrespectful. But yeah.
What is it?
Can you name one of your friends?
Bob.
You have one called Bob?
Bob.
Yeah, Bob Deep.
Bob Deep, okay.
What about you?
Ajwa.
You?
Ajwa Hayat.
Do you have any friends?
Yeah.
Name one of them.
I don't want to.
I could name it for him.
Says
Which one do you want to say? Kika, or do you want to say the one that I don't like?
But who do you not like?
Which one?
Richard Kabapuri.
Say this one.
I got a friend called Sophia.
Sophia.
Sophia the First.
Sophia the
Sophia the
First.
What do you watch on TV?
I don't
No,
really watch
she's the
TV.
last
I don't watch
comparatively.
TV.
What's your
What
favorite
do you do?
shows?
I just watch YouTube videos.
I like
What's-
Simpsons.
You like The Simpsons? I would say.
Ew.
Can you come back to me? I'm thinking. I
What
watch
you?
a lot of shows.
What about
I
you?
like eating programs.
Eating programs.
You like YouTube videos that eat.
Yeah, kind of, but like
Like Matt Stoney, he's the
About food.
fourth fastest.
Andy's food.
yeah.
Do you know the?
Man,
Do you know this? Do you know?
food, the
Remember
best.
Remember 2017 this trend with the 1 second water bottle challenge. You just drink it in 1 second. No one can do it.
It's impossible. It's nearly. But there's also this thing like a 1 second challenge. This man ate a banana. It was so fast. It was like he was inhaling
yeah,
it.
and
It was
this-
so
and
fast. He went.
And this other
His
trend,
team's
the other trend, the invisible box.
I
Yeah,
did
you
it
have
once.
to-
Like
you have
this,
to jump over
That
it.
yeah,
but there's
It
not
looks
actually
like there's
something
nothing
there.
there.
They did like that and then
exactly. Yeah, they step
they
on
jump
it.
over it. And
Exactly.
they step on it. It's so weird.
Yeah.
There's
It's impossible.
Do you like Nike or Adidas?
Nike.
Nice, nice.
Okay,
It's
do you know-
Nike. It's pronounced Nike. It's Nike. Yeah.
Do you know like how do you know how trending shoes? Yeah. Right now I'm wearing TNs. What are you wearing?
Air Maxes.
I'm wearing boots from Shoezone.
Let me see, Olio.
Boots from Shoezone.
Okay, like
What about you?
Nike. This normal Nike.
Nike.
Plain Nike.
My brother's wearing Air Maxes, but it's green and it's Nike as well. So yeah.
I'm also going to say there's this new. I know we were discussing TikTok before, but TikTok has this new trend. It's not really a trend, but it's a challenge on the backside challenge, where it's basically when a girl they put their hair forward or they wear a hoodie like.
Oh,
over
it's
their
called
face.
it's called the boy
Yeah.
challenge.
No, not the boy challenge.
Yeah,
it's
it
when
is.
they have like pillows there, yeah. So it looks like they're turning around, and then they lift up their hair and it's their face.
Oh, that.
It's kind of hard to explain, but when you actually watch it, it's like.
I thought it was the boy challenge. No, the boy challenge.
The boy challenge is when
you
a
get
girl
your hair
transforms
like
into
that.
a boy, like.
By doing the hair.
Yeah, by putting up the hair and then get like a,
By the
a
way,
jumper.
can you dance?
No.
Yeah.
I see you do
think
the
he
floss
can.
all the
He
time.
can.
I think you can do
Yeah,
the
do
floss.
the floss or
right in front of the
justice.
camera, you know.
I
Yeah.
don't think I can camera.
Can you do the floss? Come just do it. No one cares.
I don't like to. The floss was. Oh yeah, the creator of it was suing Fortnite for putting it into the game, but unfortunately he didn't win the case.
Thank you for watching Kids Zone on TV99. Bye.
Allah no